Hello there, Unreal Engine developers. My goal with these videos from now and in the future is just to make some quick tutorials showing you how to do one or two little things at a time within a video. So they'll be 2 to 3 minutes long, and they'll just show you um, quick things you can do to improve your project, or maybe find things that aren't really widely talked about in Unreal tutorials. So one of those things is splash screens, and what a splash screen is it's the, if I just restart my project here, this is a splash screen. So it shows up when you load your project from the Unreal Editor or from launching your engine, and then whenever you open your project, that will show up rather than the regular Unreal splash screen. So to do that, you just go to the Edit tab, go to Project Settings, and just search Splash. And then you'll have, it'll be the same with Unreal 4. You'll have a few different options: Linux, Windows, and Unreal 4 has a Mac option, but they don't have one here, I guess. And all you do is click the three dots on the right of the image and just select an image. So in my case, I think I had one in my pictures. Yeah, so splash images, and then I just have a couple options that I made. The resolution does matter. I made mine 1024 by 1024, but it'll be different on every PC. It doesn't scale to like the screen size, so if it's 1024 by 1024, it'll be 1024 by 1024 on all PCs, regardless of your screen size. So for example, I'm in 2K, so it shows up pretty big, probably about a quarter of the screen, as you noticed when I launched it before. I'll just relaunch it again here. So yeah, it's pretty big. If it was in like 2048 by 2048, it would go past my screen on the top because it's more than 2048 pixels going vertically. So the size, usually I recommend about 512 by 512 to be a comfortable image size for most PCs to be able to see at a decent size for splash images. I may as well show you another quick little thing. You probably have seen this if you've been in this section of your game, but right in your project settings when you open it up, stop doing that, there's a project thumbnail. You can assign a custom one of these. What Unreal will do automatically is they will just take a screenshot of your last camera location in the last level you were in the editor, and it'll make your project thumbnail. But in our case, in my case, I have one that I've already selected. I do recommend 192 by 192, and that is actually the dimension that's required in order to make your own custom project thumbnail. So you can make your own. In my case, it's the Woo Ninja one that I made. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments or shoot me a message.